Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thank you. I hope you subscribe. If you're already a subscriber, thank you and welcome back. And I'm really excited to try this bloom technique. I'm gonna get started and hopefully this works. I've always done it on a small scale. This one right here, as you can see, is probably about a 15-inch round ceramic tabletop that I kind of want to I want to use it, so let's hope it turns out. I just gessoed over the top of it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pour a little bit of pillow paint on here. Alright, so my colors. Ooh, I got a mixture of colors. I don't even know if I did this right, but I've got 24K. I've got a mixture of Blick acrylic, fluorescent purple with some Soho heavy body white paint. So I used some pigments from Brusho, and they come in like these little containers. I added the Brusho purple, and then I added the Sargent's pearl color, and then I added just a pea size of the Liquitex dioxazine purple, and then I mixed it with the varnish before I mixed it with the pouring medium. So it came out pretty good. And then this here is also turquoise pigment from the Brusho with some Sargent's pearl. And then I also added a bit of Blick acrylic turquoise to that. It really looks beautiful, kind of like a green turquoise. And then I mixed the Blick acrylic turquoise with the pouring medium, so I have that. And then I mixed some Payne's Gray, just a regular Payne's Gray from Master's Touch. So those are my colors. This here is my cell activator, water to titanium white Amsterdam acrylic. So we'll see if that works.